If you need a professional-grade rammer without compromise, the Milwaukee MX Fuel is the perfect solution. This cordless rammer delivers a remarkable 25 minutes of continuous use, or 400 meters of compaction on a single charge. But the real magic lies in the details. The clever red link plus system protects the tool from overloading, and the built-in lock makes theft a non-issue. This rammer is priced at $6,500. The Metron screwdriver is inspired by science fiction and comes in a sleek metal casing with backlight and transparent inserts. But it's not just about looks. It performs at the highest level with 1,050 RPM, 25 Newton meters of torque, and 20 for speeds for perfect control. It comes with 18 bits, making the Metron ready for any job. The price for this screwdriver is $142. The Miter MT C560 hog ring tool is designed for a range of tasks, from furniture assembly to mattress manufacturing. Its clever design lets both left and right-handed people work with ease. The pressure is adjustable up to 8 atmospheres. The comfortable grip reduces vibration and fatigue, and this tool is available for $400. This transformer from Ryobi combines the benefits of a seat and a mechanic's creeper, adding storage for bits and tools, and to powerful lamps with up to 800 lumens of brightness. Work comfortably without losing parts for time. Looking for your tools? It can support up to 181 kilograms and sells for $159. Conventional laser levels are a thing of the past. Look how comfortable it is to work with the MQB02. This level has a powerful vacuum system that lets it easily attach to the ceiling. It doesn't matter whether it's tile woods, concrete, or brick. And if you connect it to your phone over Bluetooth, you can get real-time data and quickly adjust settings. The price of the MQB02 is $129. Say goodbye to markers and lengthy setup times. The RevoPoint track a 3D optical scanner quickly, easily, and accurately produces a digital replica of anything, whether it's a coin or a car. This device delivers industrial-grade precision, automatic calibration, and 30 blue laser cross lines, all in a compact package now. You can create professional 3D models anywhere without cumbersome equipment or complex setups. The scanner is available for $3,137. The X-Laser Lab X1 and X1 Pro is the Swiss Army knife of laser technology. Welding, cutting, cleaning, and even removing rust, all in a compact package. With power up to 700 watts, you can work on carbon, aluminum, and steel. Furthermore, this machine guarantees safe welding even underwater. What more could you ask for? Probably a lower price than the current $2,099. Need to drain a pond, a construction pit, or a basement? This pump can move 19,500 liters in just an hour and operates at depths starting from 15 millimeters. The suction level is easily adjustable with a simple twist. The pump can handle water up to 35 degrees Celsius, and it sells for $179. The city throwing everything at you. The Vex T12 lets you rise to the challenge. This titanium multi-tool looks like a keychain and weighs just 33 grams, but it packs 12 tools from a ruler to a wrench. Tighten a bolt sure. Quick scooter repair no problem. The Vex T12 is a true pocket workshop. For those who know how to stay on top of any situation, it can be yours for $80. Would you carry this multi-tool with you every day? Tell us in the comments. Need precision in tight spaces? This compact pneumatic sander, spinning up to 13,000 RPM, can handle the most challenging tasks. It's perfect for automotive repairs, especially for sanding wheels, and at just 750 grams, it's comfortable to operate with one hand. The tool sells for $358. The Ellipso tool is CNC machine from a solid piece of brass and turns ellipse drawing into pure satisfaction. The swiveling holder works with pens, pencils, and even cutting tools. Your sketches will now be flawless. Precision drafting just got a serious upgrade. Ellipso costs $987. The Works Access W/550 is both a jigsaw and a reciprocating saw. In a single tool, all it takes to switch between modes is pushing a button and changing the accessory. The Access technology protects the tool from accidental mode switching. In addition, the built-in LED lights and 3,000 strokes per minute make it easy to carry out even the most complicated tasks. Quickly and effectively, this tool can be yours for $166. Tired of scissors and knives that ruin your materials? Neo Blade is a high-quality, ultrasonic cutter that lets you work with leather, plastic, wood, and other materials with more precision than ever before. With 40,000 vibrations per second, smart adjustment features, and a backlight, this cutter makes both amateur and professional projects a pleasure. The replaceable battery prevents any downtime. The price of the cutter is $150. Tower Spin is a drill, a screwdriver, and an anti-stress toy all at the same time. The 10 bits and 10 drills in the basic set are ready for everything from fixing glasses to assembling furniture. And the Tower Spin bearings allow it to reach 15,000 RPM. It's compact, clever, and versatile, which makes it a useful tool for home and beyond. Tower Spin costs $39. Tired of spending hours removing old decking? This tool will help speed up the process. It can handle different types of flooring and fasteners. The integrated nail puller eliminates unnecessary movements. The tool is so durable that in testing, it withstood a suspended load of 370 per kilogram. The makers say that dismantling now takes minutes instead of hours, and for this extremely useful tool, they're asking $145. The industry's first cordless pipe threading system keeps professionals away from outlets. This tool delivers up to 140 operations on a single charge, setting a new standard for efficiency. It works with different materials, from cast iron to stainless steel, producing clean, precise threads every time. A compact size and professional-grade performance come together in a system that costs $7,000. Check the water tightness of your roof or pool with the Vacuum Plate 100 LP. This cordless tool is lightweight at just 1 kilogram, quiet in operation, and works up to 7 hours on a single charge. And the suction power stays stable, even when the battery is running low. The price is $1,620. This stapler will definitely be of interest to furniture and auto repair shops. It's designed for use with fine staples, like those commonly used in car seats and sofas. The stapler is pneumatic and works at around 7 atmospheres. It's priced at $80. When conventional projectors give up, the XR projector is just getting started. Working on a site in the desert, no problem a project in Canada in the dead of winter. Absolutely thanks to its IP50 for protection and shock-resistant casing, the XR projector is sure to last. Drawings appear quickly, sharply, and at a 1:1 scale. Plus, it's lightweight at 11 kilogram, can be carried like a backpack, and impresses with its two-way CAT integration. Not just displaying data, but collecting it too. If you think paint sprayers have reached their technological peak, the Pro Spray PS4-23 from Wagner proves otherwise. It's 22% lighter and 5 times quieter than previous models. The sprayer also has Bluetooth. If you connect it to your smartphone, for example, you can scan a can of paint and get recommendations on pressure, nozzle, and other settings. This paint sprayer sells for about $5,000. The Gross Hammer is a combination of steel, rubber, and fiberglass, perfect for mounting wheels. It's so effective, it's even recommended for aircraft maintenance. Removing or fitting a tire is no longer a challenge, and as you can see, it leaves 0 scratches.